Hello friend, sawubona mngani. Welcome back to Zulu Lessons with Thando, the place for modern conversational Zulu language lessons. Today we're learning grammar. I use Learn Zulu by C.L.S. Nyembezi. You can find it on Take-A-Lot website and on Amazon. There are 8 different classes of nouns in the Zulu language. So in this class, we also have another category of nouns. Class 1A has 4 different categories in it. It's proper nouns, which are people's names, and kinship terms, your relatives, your family, and foodstuffs, and miscellaneous names, more especially borrowed nouns. So for example, on the proper nouns, for one person you would say uthando. For many you would say othando. But this is how that works. So this one really shows a collection or association. So people associated with thando or thando. So for example, othando baye estolo. So that would mean you're speaking about people that are with thando. So thando and her friends have gone to the shops. Othando. If you are talking about thando alone, you would say uthando uye estolo. Thando went to the shop. Miss South Africa usengu Miss Universe. Miss South Africa is now Miss Universe. Miss South Africa. So that's singular. Oh, Miss South Africa. Now that's talking about a collective. So people who are Miss South Africa. For example, Lee and Zozibini. Oh, Miss South Africa. So the plural shows a collective or an association. I could be talking about people named John. So, or John. So all the people in the world who are named John. Or I'm talking about the people associated with John. So maybe his friends or the people he works with, maybe in his team, that kind of thing. So if I say, oh John bade bonke, I would really be saying, all the people named John are tall. It could be talking about people associated with John. So if I say, oh John nabangani bakhe. So now I'm saying John and his friends. Oh John. So now do you hear that oh? It's a little bit of a high-pitched sound. Oh. Oh John. Oh John. Oh Thando. Oh Megan. Oh Archie. Oh Harry. The second category in class 1A is family members or your relatives. That falls into this noun class. So singular you would say umama, plural you would say oh mama. So for example you would say umama usemsebenzini, mom is at work, or oh mama basemsebenzini, the mothers or our mothers are at work. Ubaba unamatekisi ayishumi nanye. Dad has 11 taxis. Ubaba, so it's one father. Now if I were talking about many fathers, I would have said oh baba. Now if I'm saying oh baba, I'm talking about people who are associated with my father or the fathers. So for example, I could be talking about my father and his brothers. So if I say oh baba banamatekisi ayishumi nanye, I'm saying my father and his brothers have 11 taxis. OGogo baye kohola impesheni. OGogo, so the grandmothers have gone to collect their pension. UMakoti. UMakoti means either the bride or the daughter-in-law in the family. So umakoti uhleli phansi. Umakoti, one daughter-in-law. So the bride is sitting down or the daughter-in-law is sitting down. I hope she is sitting down and resting, friend. The third category is foodstuffs. Now foodstuffs are u. So for example, let's talk about beans, tomatoes and onions. Beans in isiZulu is ubhontshisi. Ubhontshisi. That's singular. In plural, that is obhontshisi. So if I'm saying obhontshisi, I am talking about the varieties or the different kinds of beans. Obhontshisi. Utamatisi one tomato. Otamatisi, varieties or different kinds of tomatoes. U-Anyanisi, one onion. Many onions. O-Anyanisi, or the different varieties and kinds of onions. So here we apply the same rule as in the proper nouns. We are talking about a collective or an association. U-Anyanisi uyakhalisana. Onions make one cry. Otamatisi abayizinhlobonhlobo batholakala emakethe. Otamatisi abayizinhlobonhlobo batholakala emakethe. Different varieties of tomatoes can be found at the market. The last category of 1A is borrowed words or mostly borrowed words. These ones, for example, udokotela, a doctor. Odokotela, doctors. Unesi, a nurse. Onesi, nurses. Uthisha, a teacher. Othisha, teachers. Upende, paint. Opende, different paints, different colors or different buckets of paint. Ujeke, a jug. Ojeke, jugs. Umpompi, a tap. Ompompi, taps. Umakhelwane, a neighbor. Omakhelwane, neighbors. But that one is a Zulu word. It's not borrowed. Umakhelwane wami uthanda ukubhema. Umakhelwane wami uthanda ukubhema. Yes, my neighbor likes smoking. Udokotela usizwa onesi. Udokotela usizwa onesi. The doctor is helped by nurses. Udokotela, one doctor. Onesi, many nurses. Uthisha ufundisa kahle. Uthisha ufundisa kahle. The teacher teaches well. Upende omhlophe muhle emakhabetheni. Upende omhlophe muhle emakhabetheni. White paint is nice on cabinets. Don't argue with me. Ojeke bamanzi basematafuleni. Ojeke bamanzi basematafuleni. The water jugs are on the table. So ojeke, plural, the water jugs. Ompompi bayaconsa. The taps are leaking. Ompompi. So just to recap, friend, class 1, the prefixes for singular are and umu. To make them plural, you would say aba or abe. And 1a, singular is u and the plural is o. So we'll end this video right here. Next time I'll come back with class 2 of the noun prefixes. In the meantime, if you've missed the other lessons, check some of them right here. I'll see you next time, my friend. Usale kahle.